Elon Musk is very keen to get us to Mars really fast. Musk had a dream of Mars being colonized since he was probably in his teens. However, he is only now able to materialize his dreams and ideas. The idea of Mars City might seem odd to some, especially knowing how difficult it is to build a simple habitat on Mars, let alone entire city. Elon Musk has a plan. However, this plan might take some doing. Yes, it will be possible to build a Mars City. Well, I wouldn't call it a city, more of a tiny hamlet. But it could be done. The Starship will be critical to Musk's plans. The stainless steel ship is designed to send up to 100 people into space at once. The Raptor engine that powers the Starship uses liquid oxygen and methane, and through simple chemical conversion, it will be possible to convert carbon dioxide in Mars' atmosphere into a fuel, using fuel plants that could be integrated into the Starship or sent to Mars beforehand. The orbital synchronization Musk is referring to is the point when Earth and Mars are in their closest alignment, which occurs around every 26-27 months. That's the ideal time for launch, as the distance between the two is reduced to around 50 to 55 million kilometer distance. Because the two planets follow an egg-shaped orbit, not every alignment is equal. Elon Musk hoped to take advantage of the upcoming synchronization due in 2022 and 2024. However, this timetable was somewhat optimistic. The plan was to send 2 unmanned cargo starships to Mars in 2022, with each one capable of carrying up to 100 tons of cargo, ready for the first humans. The first manned mission would take place in the second synchronization in 2024, sending 2 manned starships alongside 2 further cargo starships. The 6 ships in total would carry around double the mass of the International Space Station. Musk admitted himself his plan was a long shot. He since announced plans to send Japanese billionaire Yakazu Maezawa alongside 6 to 8 artists on a trip around the moon in 2023. Subsequent comments suggest this could be the Starship's first manned mission. Each orbital synchronization would likely be dedicated to building out the base, initially focused on life support and fuel production, and gradually adding more habitats and support structures and large farm modules for ever-growing Martian community. If all goes well, Mars colony could take shape in 10, maybe 12 years from now. Recently I posted an amazing video of Mars habitat entirely built by a swarm of smart Mars rovers that will 3D print a very first habitat on Mars for people to live in. The concept struck me as most ingenious and very smart use of limited resources and absolute reliance on 3D printing and sustainability. If Elon Musk could produce something similar and just scale it up to industrial scale, he could theoretically, with just 2 starships, ensure a sizable community on Mars can be sustained using only local resources, including water that can be extracted from Martian regolith and air, as well as fuel for the starships. The longer-term, large farming domes and habitats where people live could dominate future Martian landscape, with thousands of people living off the land, literally. I remain very hopeful we can see first humans on their way to Mars in not too distant future.